This is my 4th time I'm sitting for recording this video. I'm getting so many disturbances. No problem. Anyway, hey there, welcome back to another episode of Palette Life, and this is SUMA BABU. So I'm here to help you to do a realistic portrait painting using pencil. So before heading into making portrait painting, we have to acquire certain skills so that the process or the journey to make a portrait will be easy and smooth. So for that we have seen, or I have made 4 videos in a row to teach you the art basics, which is useful for making a realistic portrait painting. So check those all 4 videos if you want to do a pencil shading like a pro. Other than this pencil shading, I have done oil painting and acrylic painting. I have saved those videos in a separate playlist called art videos. So if you are interested, check them all. And I'm interested in crafting and gardening too, so I have separate videos on those topics also. So coming back to our video, now we know the art basics of how to render and what all are the value scale and how to see an object and what things or what shape you are seeing in that particular object and all we have learned. So make time to practice all these basics. So today we are going to see how to sketch and do pencil shading of a human eye. So before that we have to do a few more exercises so that you can make a realistic eye. So one thing is that you should study the anatomy of an eye. So you may be knowing the parts of the eye. So before doing a pencil shading of a human eye, you have to analyze what all are the area of eye which is catching the highlight or the light, or which area is darker in comparison to the other area. So you get so many reference pictures in search engines. So select something. You may find different artists make different types of eye. Some may not give a lot of details, but still it look like an eye. So before doing that and all, coming to in that detail, let me show you what all the practice you should do beforehand. So try to make a circle and shade those whole circle using the mid-tone or the lightest tone what you have learned in the value scale, the first box. First is the page white and the second box. Okay, so it may look like something like this. And the second thing, you are going to make this part of eye. So whatever we have learned in the basics, we have applied it here. See, this all area I have shaded using simple lines. Okay, so near to the circle, outer circle, you get to see the darker tone, and in the center also. And here I had given the highlight. I left the page white, and here you get to see the mid-tone. You should understand this all variations one by one. Don't assume that everywhere around the circle will be same tonal variation. Sometimes you may get, see here you got the darker tone, but here you didn't. So that minute details you have to see and try to make as it is. So copy one such picture. As a small kid, everybody might have tried to make a human eye. So you may be familiar with the shape and all. And other than that, you have to check. You have to be aware while making using the pencil shading. See, this eye white also is shaded. Like it is not page white. And one more thing, normally the people end up doing mistake is with the eyelashes. Okay, the eyelashes, the curve is starting from here towards upwards. Okay, so don't start your pencil or start making from this point to downwards. It may give you one stiff eyelash, so don't try to make that. Always you start from here in this base and take it upwards. And for making the bottom part, you turn the page upside down and try to make as it is, like start from here and take it outwards like this. Don't ever start from reverse, like from top to bottom. That is the thing you have to be very careful about. So now I'll show you different kinds of eye I have made for showing to my art students. So you can see this. See, I haven't given any details on this eyelashes, but still it is looking very convincing, isn't it? Then you have to check where all the areas. See, over this eye you can see some dark area because of that bend near to this. You can see in my face also. See, here this is darker comparing to here. So that portion you have to check, and the variation wherever you are feeling, you try to put it in grayscale. And here again this area is lighter and this one is bit darker. This is one such I have already shown, no, that type of eye. I have made this one too. If you see that inner area of this eyeball, you can see so many places you can see the reflection. Hope this video is useful. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through comment section. And that's all for today, and in the next week we'll come up with I think I'll take up nose as a detailed study. So see you soon. Until then, take good care of your health and happy painting. Bye.